Hello everybody and welcome to part 4 of building the Yago Typewriter. And last video we ended off on step 53. So now we are moving on to step 54. So yeah, and for this, you're going to need some gray pieces. So let me just get a couple of these out of here and move this aside for now. Okay, so we're gonna need this, and then 2 of these, just plopping them right here and right here. Okay. Hopefully I can finish it by the end of this video. My mom seems to really want to see how this one turns out, which, of course, I want to see how it turns out too. It's just, my mom had been putting them on the shelf in our opening hallway. So she had just really been wanting to put it there, I guess. Okay. Here. And then this. Here. And now 2 more of those. Flipping it over this way. Putting one here. And one here. How was your Monday, by the way? Mine was okay. My schedule had been making some really weird schedule choices. For example, now my days, this week, schedule is kind of out of whack. Today, we had a block day, which is basically just only the first 3 periods, which means I had period 1, 2, and 3 today, but not the rest of them. Okay. So yeah, and tomorrow it's gonna be just like today, but with 4, 5, and 6. So yeah. Okay. Now take these 2. Okay, and now plop this on here. Now, taping this, we are going to put it at the end of both of them. Like this. And now pulling this thing back on, we're gonna put it right here. And right here. And bam. Okay. And now you get your multicolored pieces. Because right now we are going to need some red axle pieces. I can find where it is. Okay. We have green pieces. Oh, wait, it's in here. Okay, pulling this out. Okay, you need 1 red piece, 1 blue piece, which would be, where I get this one, here. Bam. And now the gray pieces are also needed in the mix. Right. This one. Okay. And now this one that had kind of like a plus shaped opening. And now a ball joint, kinda. Okay, so now what we then need to do is take this piece, okay, and get this and put it through the opening hole here, okay, and now you're gonna have to put this and this together with it. Like this, like as far as it will go. And now put the red piece in here. And then the ball point at the very end to create this little device. And it is gonna go on this part. Wait. Trying to see what part it goes on. Those here. Okay. And now turning it over this way. And then you get a yellow piece from this bag. Take this piece out. Flip this over and put it right here. Bam. And now, I'm going to take this big machine, and flip this way. Trying to figure out the positioning here. Okay, now what we're going to do is put this right here. Now where this goes, really? Wait, I'm going to try to put it on. Oh, it goes this way. And you lay it down here. And bam, you can kind of see the pieces here. Oh, that's actually really cool. I love that effect. I'm going to turn it towards you. And, you have the more complex parts this time. Or they look complex. And then need one of these black pieces. Two of these wheelie pieces. They belong on a tire. Okay. Okay. And now we have not three, but yeah, no, we need 3 of these. And then 2 of these plus ones. Right here and right here. Okay, so now we take this rod piece. We put these here. At the end like that. Okay, and then we get a wheel piece. We put it in here. Then do the same with these. Yeah. And then another wheel piece that goes here. And I'm guessing we're going to put this on the end. Like this. Look at that. And now it will go right. Let me just flip it over. Okay. Okay, I'm guessing it will go right here. Oh wait, they're down this way though. Huh. You don't really put it on, did you? Or... oh, maybe that's a later step. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay. So yeah, this comes out for now. It comes out very easily for now, but we're gonna add some pieces to make it easier. Did you know that in a couple days, I'm gonna have an appointment? I think a healing appointment or something. Whatever it is, I think it's happening on Overmorrow. If you don't know what Overmorrow is, Overmorrow is the day after tomorrow. So yeah, it's one step above tomorrow. And it is also the word of the day. Okay, you can put that in a conversation. See what they think that word means before you tell them. Okay. I know I'm really good at adding that into conversation casually, right? They did. Now I'm gonna have to put it in here. Okay. And now we do the same on this side. Okay, and now we put in here. Yeah, it doesn't come out. Right? That's great. Okay. And now it looks like we might be at the paper part, which, judging by the other ones, we can probably also the last part. So yeah, move the typewriter out of the way. Get this one. And now put this here. And now we are going to put... trying to find them that don't have any words on it. A bit harder than it looks. But okay. Put this here. Okay. So this way. And this way. Right, this. But we also need pretty much all the white pieces at this point. And I'm actually surprised that we're not any later into the video. Okay. Now what we are gonna do is take this. And we're gonna need another white piece. I don't know where that... Oh! Here we are. Okay, so... Got this. This. Put them here. This. Okay. And now we're gonna put this right here, I think. Oh, no, right here. What way does it though? Oh, piece fell out, huh? But I'm pretty sure, yeah, no, there's how it goes. Okay. And now we are gonna put a word here, which is once upon a time. Okay? And actually, I think I'm gonna put all the words onto here. And do as I take this piece off. Give me a moment. And bam. Look at that. All the ones we viewed. And now what we are gonna do is put it right here, I think. Oh yeah, that worked actually. Wow. Oh wait, but we still have to do the plants. Man, how did I forget about all the plants, right? Yeah, I was just about ready to say, oh, huh, this is an early ending video. But nope. Completely slipped my mind about the plant part, right? Yeah, I bet you guys were just about ready to leave. Or, yeah, you were checking the video to see how much yonder there was. Okay? So anyway, you get one of these. You get purple pieces, right? This. Okay? And now, this can go here. Oh, not even in the middle of the camera. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that one of the first things they teach you in a film school, right? Always keep it in the middle or something. Okay. And now we're just gonna put this here. Okay, this I think. No wait. Maybe ow. Ooh, okay. Wait, oh, it goes this way? Okay. So here's what we have for the first one. We need to put a rod over here though. Bam. Trust me that this is going to be the last video of this series. You're gonna trust me on that one at least. We then need to put the flower in the middle of here. Come on, just put it in here. That did the hard part when you're like surrounded by pointy things. Makes it harder. There we are. And bam. You did that flower. But anyway, we're gonna have to put it right up here. Give me a moment. Okay, wait. Okay, you see that piece right here? You're gonna have to connect it to that. And bam. I really hope nobody's actually using these as a step-by-step tutorial, because there have been a couple times where I made a mistake or something, and I just like haven't told you guys, and I just like cut it out of the video and pretended like I never made a mistake. Okay. Now, go here, get two of these, and another one of this. Okay. There we are. We then put it on top of this. Okay. And now we then need another pole. Along with one of these. Another telescope. Where are you? Telescope. Okay, wait. Okay. Place this down here. Now I just need one more of these like flowery pieces wherever they may. Oh, here we are. The last one in the very box. Okay. Add this piece here. Okay. That looks good. Now, one of these to go here. And, okay, there's a weird thing, because I am sure that was the last one, but I still have to repeat the last step I did. So, I'm gonna check, and I'm gonna take out all the bags that I'm done with. We gave a lot of them beside the yellow. So I really don't. Is there another one I missed or something? I don't see it. If it does exist, I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't like that. Maybe I'll count the flowers. Okay, well, it doesn't really matter. I'll just put this at the end. Oh, I can't. It's not big enough. I might be trying to find a piece that fits. Kinda. Okay. Yeah, no, this works, right? This is a bad end to the build. I like it, actually. Okay. And now what we're gonna do here is put it on the second one here, going towards the person writing, I guess. Or I guess it's just going upward in general. Now we are gonna need this leaf piece, and then one of these. First going here, and then, sorry about that. Okay, there we are. Okay. And now it will go right here. Here we are. And now some yellow pieces. I was wondering when we would get to use these. And we are officially at 22 minutes. But I am 99% sure we can just keep the camera rolling, actually. Okay. Okay, there we are. Now, put it here, and here, and now we just input these right here. Bam. Turn it over. Get this white flower piece here. Plop it on. Add a little part like this. Right here. And you just attach it to this piece. Wait, did it go? Wait, no, it goes this way, I think, yeah. There you did it actually for a second. Oh, I think. Oh, yeah, it did go this way too. Okay. So, here we have this baby. Not done yet, though. We still have a couple minor additions to add. Right here. And here. And I do have to say that this is not as functional a typewriter as it could have been earlier. I'm gonna have to do some trimming to actually use this to type out my novel. Okay. Get this and this. Get a wood piece. Where is it? Oh, it's a hand piece. Where would a hand piece be? Oh. Here we are, it's brown, so I didn't know where to put it earlier. Putting this. Grabbing one of these. Okay. Now we have this. And it will go right here on top of these. Which way did I? Oh, here we are. Bam. Okay. Oh, and by the way, we are at depth 70. Out of how many? No idea. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much more. I thought we were nearing the end, but I'm not cutting this video up. That would seem like a waste. Maybe if we hit like 40, that'd be worth it. Man, you ever play a video game and it feels like, oh wow, we're almost at the end. It just feels so good. 2 hours later, you're not done yet, and you've been like, what? I thought we were at the end so long ago. Right? That's how I felt with the typewriter. Not a complaint, I know how this was supposed to look. I just momentarily forgot about the whole, plant element. Okay. I do hope you guys can do what I'm doing, or else, this video is pretty pointless otherwise, isn't it? Okay. We have to do this 4 times. That means I can zoom in a bit. Okay. That. Okay. Put 2 under this. Under this. Now this goes. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot that this piece goes here. This one here. Then the 2 go on top. I forgot about that. I tried to make it. I wonder if I could do like 2 at the same time. Let me try this. Okay. Okay. Now put 2 pieces under them each. Under this one as well. Okay. And wait. Oh man, I forgot I would. You know what? I'll do it right after during these one. Yucky, I remembered now. I forgot about these for all the other ones. So yeah. Yucky, I remember now, right? Finish all of them. And then you forget, right? Okay. Now, get one of these, put it here. Now, go here. Place this on top. This here. Okay, and now we go back to this one. Come on, really? Give me a moment. Have to get this out. Okay. That fell behind the thing. It doesn't really matter now, but right. Okay. And now we need, where did it go? Have these pieces supposed to have one over it? Oh, and it was. No, that's not it. Actually, where is it actually? Oh, here we are. Okay. And now, going back to this yellow flower, we are gonna put these here. 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 And here. Oh, hey, wow, you can even bend where it goes. That's cool. Bam. Now, you did this. We did this, yellow, this, yeah, this one? Okay, yeah. Flip it over and place it right here. Along with this hot piece. And now we just add it onto here, and we are. No, that was nothing. Please, there was nothing. Okay. Now this goes right here, going outward with all the other items. And we have finally done it. Oh, you did it, baby. It's so cool. I do not know what to say after building something this cool. The pieces actually still work really well. This piece goes up. Wait. Oh yeah, no, they're pretty cool. And this will be in the end of our video. And I will see you guys in whatever I do next. Bye!